Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Saloni and today we are going to do something artistic work. Today we're gonna make a wall clock. I got all the essential needed from Etsy Bitsy. The MDF board, then designer paper, Roman numbers, and we painted them in black in color. Then we got the machine, then clock machine, then the second hand, minute hand, and the hour hand. So here we are pasting everything together on the MDF board, applying a primer onto it, and then now let's fix it together. So this was something we had made for our friend. He always wanted us to make this for him. We had made one for ourselves also, and he loved it a lot. And so you can also customize this by your own choice in different shapes, sizes, color, according to your house theme. This is the best gifting option. You can give this to your friends, family members. Do let me know in the comment section below what else you want. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.